let's look at this very pleasing collection of 179 early 20th century American poster stamps. The majority of these stamps in this small grouping relate to pens, writing, publishing, and printing. There is actually this Smith & Wesson gun and Winchester gun one here with a shotgun powder here, another one here. So there are a variety, but some of the great stamps in here are things like this splendid one for poster stamps. This one here of this woman going through her album of poster stamps. This is another one. These relate directly to the manufacturing of poster stamps, which is a great little subcategory of stamp collecting and fairly difficult to locate. They're kind of few and far between. Here's a beautiful one for printing. And these are all advertising stamps for this company. This is very Art Deco. Those are great. You'll notice here that they spell the company's name, W-E-N-T-Z, Wentz Company. Ha! That's great. There's another label maker there. There's a fountain pen. Yeah, there's some fountain pens on the other one. And look at these beautiful San Diego ones. And look at this. This looks just like a Maxfield Parrish there. Brill Brothers. Look at that. That's a great one. Here's a Poster Stamp Exchange Society right here. Wow, these are very nice stamps. These are very pleasing indeed. This whole series here is for writing papers. These are wonderful. Man reading in his house. Look at this little cherub there with inkwell. And we have here these having to do, look at this. This is for a photo supply business in Portland, Oregon. The drugstore here, printing company here. Look at this. Look at this. Poster stamps, ad stamps, and labels. Yeah, here's an engraving one. Yeah, these collect ad stamps. Yeah, very, very nice. And fountain pens here, more fountain pens. These are all fountain pens. And here we have another one of these, some more of these. These are duplicates. These three, actually these five are, but that's great because you can't have too many of those, and those are good for trading for other ones that you don't have. So those are wonderful. And here we have, again, wonderful, just beautiful era of illustration. And on the back here, look at this. Yes, these are tire and automobile related right here. Yeah, this is mentioning the Panama Expo of 1915. I think the majority of these stamps here relate to around that time, 1915 or so. And here are some more wonderful printing, miniature posters for poster stamps. Yeah, okay. And here is another beautiful sheet. Great automobile one. Yeah, these are very wonderful. These are very nice American stamps of this era here. Here's Elgin watches. All of these are for Elgin watches. And the final group of stamps is this set of 12 of Evinruting in Holland, some motor for boating. And so this assortment of 179 different well, mostly different, but very pleasing early 20th century American poster stamps is available as a lot now online from me, Brian DeMambro.